How to check in on Expedia. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to check in on Expedia. If you want to know how to do this, ensure you watch till the end. The first thing to do is to open your Expedia app on your mobile phone. After opening your Expedia app on your mobile phone, by the lower part of the screen, you see icons like home, search, trips, and all. Then you click on trips. Click on trips. Then you'll be directed to another page and you see a box that says find your booking. You click on the box and you'll be directed to another page. Yes, you'll be directed to another page, and on this page, you'll be required to input your itinerary number. Note, this itinerary number would have been sent to your Gmail account. You input your itinerary number, then you press continue, and that is it. That is how to check in on Expedia. Remember, you open your app on your mobile phone, click on trips, then you click on you input your itinerary number, then you click on continue. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.